Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your personal details to your account on the booking.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your home page, and after that you can find this Your Account button at the top of the screen on the right side. Tap on Manage Account, and after that you should tap on Personal Details, Manage Personal Details, which is the first section. And here tap on Personal Details, and here you can add the profile picture first of all by tapping on this circle, and then you can upload the picture. You can also add your name, your first name and your last name. Tap on Save. You can set a display name, which is basically your username. Tap on Save, and then you can edit your email address, add your phone number, date of birth can be set, as well as your nationality, your gender, and your address. So all you have to do is just typing it in and then tap on the Save button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.